How to fix Epic Games login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games login problem. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one. That is to clear Epic Games cache. So here, simply click on the Windows search bar and now here, simply type in run. And now here, from the search result, just click or double click on the run to open it. And once you do that, a pop up menu will appear. In that menu, you simply have to click on the box and there you simply have to type percentage local app data percentage, and after that you simply have to click on OK, and this will open a folder. So there you simply have to scroll down and find these two options called Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. So here, once you found that, you simply have to select this both, and after that, you simply have to right click on it and simply delete it. But don't worry, these are just cache files, so deleting them is safe, and the launcher will recreate them automatically when you reopen it. And with that, we will move forward to the step two. That is to repair the Epic Games launcher. So here, if login still doesn't work, then you can simply open the start menu and there you can simply type control panel and simply open the control panel, and there you can simply click on programs, and now here in this section you can simply click on this option labeled as uninstall a program, and there you can simply search for the Epic Games launcher, and after that you can simply right click on it and simply click on repair, and this will fix any corrupted launcher files. So here, once the repair is done, you can simply launch Epic Games and try logging in again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to change the compatibility settings. So here, if you're stuck, then you can simply right click on the Epic Games launcher, and now here, once you have done that, you simply have to click on properties, or if you don't found that, you can simply click on more advanced option, and after that you can simply click on properties. And now here on this menu at the top, you can see several tabs. So from there, you simply have to go to the compatibility tab. And now here, you simply have to check these boxes and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. And after that, you can simply click on OK. And with that, you can simply open the launcher again and see if it works again or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reinstall Epic Games. So here, if nothing else works, then you can simply open add or remove programs. So here, simply open add or remove programs from the search result. And now here in this section, you can simply go to the Epic Games launcher, and there you can just click, or you can simply uninstall the Epic Games launcher from your device, and after that you can simply reinstall it again from the browser, and you can simply log in with your account as well, and this will usually fix the stop-born login issue. And that's it. That's how you can fix Epic Games login issue. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.